Hey folks, Chosen 7x7 here. Today I'd like to bring to you a very tough, hard use and tactical knife in my opinion. That's the Emerson CQC 14, otherwise known as the Snubby. I really like this blade. I've given it a lot of punishment and it's taken it like a champ. What I really enjoy about it is the fact that the blade itself, which is a 154 cm. Ooh, that's a conventional grind there, but this thing has been taken through several wars and still sharp as a tack. But the blade length is only 2.7 inches. It naturally has a wave function for ease of deployment. These are polished G10 scales that have been really beaten up pretty good. This is another candidate for tough thumbs whenever he gives me my other Snubby, by the way. Liner lock, titanium liner lock. As you can see, it's been anodized. Lanyard hole. G10 backspacer. Get a better look at that titanium liners. Nice jimping on the spine. But look how sharp that is. That fella, I have not sharpened this. In a year and a half, I haven't sharpened it. Beautiful. The overall length is 7.6 inches. And the weight is 5.2 ounces. What I really enjoy about it, even though it's a small blade, a 2.7-inch blade, the remaining 4.3 inches is all handle. So even though you got a small blade, which may comply with your local laws, you still got the feel of a full-size knife. It just locks in just like that. Pretty nice. We'll take a beating. So if you're ever in the market for a nice, hard use, 154 cm, small blade, check out the Emerson CQC 14, otherwise known as a Snubby. Chosen 7x7. Peace.